Hello students, I Jyoti Vashisht from Suraj School, Rewari. Students, our today's topic is chemical reactions of ethyl alcohol part 2. In this, we study the two reactions of ethyl alcohol, two major reactions of ethyl alcohol, that are oxidation and esterification. Oxidation reaction. Oxidation means addition of oxygen in a compound is called oxidation. So here our compound is ethyl alcohol. So if an oxygen atom is added in ethyl alcohol, that is called oxidation of ethanol. For the oxidation of ethyl alcohol, we need an oxidizing agent. And here the oxidizing agent is alkaline potassium permanganate, or we can take acidified potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. These both are strong oxidizing agent which provide the nascent oxygen to the ethyl alcohol, which oxidize the ethyl alcohol. Here it is the nascent oxygen given by these oxidizing agent. After the complete oxidation of ethyl alcohol, we get ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is the CH3COOH plus water. So students, in this reaction, these are the strong oxidizing agent which completely oxidize ethyl alcohol to ethanoic acid. So it is the complete oxidation of ethyl alcohol. So if we want the complete oxidation of ethyl alcohol, we can use alkaline potassium permanganate or the acidified potassium dichromate. But if we want the partial oxidation, so for the partial oxidation, we use a mild oxidizing agent, that is chromium oxide in acidic medium. Ethyl alcohol, chromium oxide in glacial acetic acid or in acidic medium. So when we use chromium oxide in acidic medium with ethyl alcohol, so it is the mild oxidizing agent. It partially oxidizes the ethyl alcohol. And when ethyl alcohol partially oxidizes, it produces aldehyde. Two carbon of alcohol here, so we get the 2 carbon aldehyde, which is acetaldehyde, CH3CHO plus water. So students, it is the complete oxidation of ethyl alcohol, in which ethyl alcohol completely oxidized to give rise ethanoic acid, acetic acid. And it is the partial oxidation of ethyl alcohol, in which ethyl alcohol partially oxidized to give rise acetaldehyde. In this reaction, it is the main point that the number of carbons remains the same on both reactant and product side. If we take the 3 carbon alcohol here, then we obtain the 3 carbon carboxylic acid here. If we take the 3 carbon alcohol here, then we obtain the 3 carbon aldehyde here. That means that the number of carbon in alcohol and the number of carbon in products, that may be carboxylic acid, may be aldehyde, remains the same. The next reaction of ethyl alcohol is esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. It is the most important reaction of ethyl alcohol. If we add some ethanoic acid in ethyl alcohol in presence of some drops of concentrate sulfuric acid and heat it on a water bath, then after some time we observe that the fruit like smells comes out. That is the smell of ester. That means in this reaction a product is produced that have fruit like smell, sweet smell, that is ester. In this reaction ethanoic acid gives out OH and ethyl alcohol gives H. These both react with each other to give rise water, and these two parts are combined to produce ester. So here it is our ester, ethyl acetate. Friends, it is an ester, and ester have a particular fruit like, a particular sweet smell, which is its confirmative test, which is its confirmation, recognition that if a chemical compound have fruit like smell, that must be ester with water, with releasing of water. So it is the esterification test, it is the ester test, which is a confirmation test of ethyl alcohol also. Thank you and have a nice day.